Alright guys, here's how to find Audible book chapters. This is a special little video for my fellow visual learners. You're looking for a chapter or the layout of the chapters or the index or whatever people call it on an Audible book. Let's go through where to find Audible book chapters because it's incredibly easy. I'm going to talk about how to do this on your phone and your computer in that order. Here's how to do it on your phone. Go to the book you're listening to at the bottom of the screen, tap on that and it'll take up the whole screen. Now underneath the giant picture of the book cover on the left, you'll see these 3 horizontal lines with a dot next to each of them. Tap on this and you will find the whole indexed chapter list as well as the length of each one. This is what you're going to see on the computer too, but here's how you do it on the computer. Under library, go to library and then go to your book of interest and click listen now. Should be in a little orange box says listen now. There should be an audiobook player that comes up in like a separate window. Here you can find an indexed chapter list at the bottom of this window where it says chapters underneath 3 horizontal lines with a dot next to each of them. But that's it guys. This is how you find Audible book chapters on your phone and your computer. For a more general idea on like what Audible is though, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video going over this earlier this year and I will drop a link to that in the description below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.